Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp GB ban. To know how to fix or how to solve GB WhatsApp ban, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application, the application of WhatsApp. And when you will see this page, you will enter and you will click here for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.